Doing a few things today, putting this wheel on Emilio's car and putting that intake on my car.
Wait, not putting anything on my car, mate.
Okay, so this is the special thing that I was talking about. It's this mint unboxing. It's the Stancenation Likewise shift knob. Real nice box. And there it is. Focus, come on. It's number 88. Feels nice weight, everything like that. And you also get a little card saying your number and a metal keyring with the number on it as well, and that's machined metal. I love how it's not focused. There we go. So yeah, and to install it, I've already done it halfway, just to save you the boringness of the video, because it's like going back and forth adjusting it. You tighten these two nuts onto each other and then thread the ball onto this, and it was a bit of trial and error to get it to be straight like that, because that's how you want it, obviously. There we go. And there it is. It's really hard to see because of the glare, but you know, all there. So I only made 150 of these, and I got number 88. It wasn't really that much more than a regular shift knob from Likewise, so pretty happy. And I needed one anyway. I was looking for a shift knob, and then I saw the Stancenation one. I was like, need that one. But yeah, feels really good. Shifting, it's a bit lower than the stock one just because it's shorter. Like the ball is smaller than like the plastic bit, the plastic shift knob that I had. But yeah. So today we're also going to be installing this intake. It's pretty much 2 bolts, unclip those and unscrew that, and unclip a few other things. Dude, just shut my car.
I hope not.
And yeah, Emilio wanted to keep the cars out here, so it's like bloody loud.
I gotta work.
Hey.
Yeah, we'll do it. I don't know how long that was loose for, but you know. That was real time. So to remove this, you just pull it out. So I just removed the sensor. I'm assuming it's like the map sensor or something. Oh no, it's not, but some other sensor. And I'm just gonna transfer it into this hole. Just competent. All done just like that. Just pretty nice. So I think I've got to remove this and replace it with this so I can position that in the correct place on the new intake. And there we go, all in. I might cut this shorter later on, but for now it's all good. That's all tight. I'm not sure if we'll hit the bonnet. It might be okay. And it's got fresh air coming in from there, so I don't think it's too hot of an intake, at least. It is kind of near the exhaust, but you know, whatever. This car runs pretty cold anyway.
Yeah.